Hi mis amores, thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I'm doing a Valentine's Day edition look. I hope you guys like it. I know the look is not complete because I don't have lashes on, but otherwise we did this. So yeah, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications because it really helps your girl out. Okay, so I already, moisturized my face, toned it, did all of that. I still have yet to prime, but I'm gonna show you the eyeshadow palette that we're working with today. It is so cute. It's sweet like candy. And how adorable is this quad? I feel like it'll definitely go perfectly with my little top from Forever 21. And yeah, let's jump in. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to conceal and use that as primer for my eyelids. So I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer. I don't know what number it is because I got it at Marshall's or TJ Maxx, but I love this because I feel like it doesn't show the dryness on my, eyelid. So that's what we're gonna do. Just gonna prime. And I love this because it also conceals if you have any veins or any discoloration. I personally don't have any veins, but it just evens out the surface, which is great. I'm going to use the shade Toffee Apple over here with the Sonia Kashuk brush, and we're going to pack this. There is a lot of fallout, so, keep that in mind. Place it on the outer part, and we're gonna pack and then kind of disperse. So then you could use little circular motions to blend it out. I love purple on brown eyes. I truly do think that it just brings out our beautiful chocolate eyes. I love honey colored eyes. I feel like anybody who has honey colored eyes is so blessed because it's just beautiful. It's not as bold as blue or green. It's just, I don't know, it's almost like sultry. But everything is preference, of course. And as you can see, when you start to blend it on the crease, it kind of becomes lighter. That's why we were trying to pack it before. We can add some more there. Oh yeah, gorgeous. Does it bother you guys when I say gorgeous instead of gorgeous? Then I'm going to take my Morphe 573 brush, and it has no product on it, and I'm just going to blend the edges of the purple because soon we're going to put a transition color. And as you guys have noticed, everybody has like their own techniques. I used to do transition first, then like the crease, but it's fun to play around with different techniques and see which one you master better, because some people do a whole different shebang than I do, and it looks messy at first and then they end up killing. To go into Candy Floss, which is, hold on, this pink one over here, and I'm just going to use that as a little bit of the transition, and then I'm going to pop in a different color. I believe so. I'm just going with the wind with this because I feel like when you plan, sometimes it doesn't come out the way you want. I guess because you're like too hard on your vision. It's from Sigma. This is the E25. You can see how beat up this brush is, but I love it. It is just too amazing. So then we're going to go into the color Macaroon, which is this kind of like fuchsia color. I think it'll look good. We shall see. Because it is definitely a cray. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm happy I went into that color because it is just transforming this eye look. You know what it is, guys? I have not been using false eyelashes for some time, and I know that that really completes the look, but I know I have to get some lashes. I think I have one, but I don't have the lash glue. I don't have like a good lash glue that I like. I used to love the House of, I mean, I still do, the House of Lashes, but I heard there's like a cheaper drugstore one that I need to get my hands on. So in the next videos, I'll be popping on some lashes. So forgive me if my look is not, you know, complete, but I'll make it work as best as I can. That's all that matters, right? And then you guys might notice that I guess the purple that is in our crease is kind of getting lost. You'll go back into that and we will pack in some more color. You know, it's just like a painting. Everything starts to come together. And that's what I love. It's like another form of art. It's so therapeutic when I'm bored, when I have like, when I'm stressed out, I just come and I do my makeup and it is a different ball game, let me tell you. That, go a little bit in the crease. So you're like, don't forget me. You know what I'm saying? Looking good. I'm going to cut the crease now with some concealer. The base shadow brush looks like this. I usually use something, this one's from Tarte and this one's from Urban Decay, like a flat one. But I don't know, I wanna switch it up and see what happens when I don't do that, you know? It's all about experimenting. That's what's fun about makeup. If it looks like trash, you could just start again and then your life ain't over, you know? You know, the only thing that bothers me, I feel like other people, well, like that I'm not doing correct, is that other people put the concealer over here and really make it the cutout. But I feel like I can't do that. Go a little bit like that, just so it's blended a little bit easier. Right? Then I'm just gonna take my hand and I'm gonna use this purple one that I told you guys. And I think it's just gonna look gorgeous. Sometimes your finger is better than just wetting a brush and putting on the thing, but these are so buttery. Ooh, I just keep layering on. Ooh. I could also do the pinky one. Let's see, pink and this. I'm gonna mix the red one now too over here, just to see what we come up with. Yeah. Okay, so we have that. Gonna go back into the purple because it looks a little bit crazy, but it's all good. It's all part of the process. So we're gonna really pack it on because it kind of went somewhere that we don't know. Okay, and we're gonna go back in with the color we had before because it looks like it got lost. So pretty. Gonna finish up the other eye and we shall be back. So now I'm taking a Morphe M511 brush and we are just going to blend out the edges. Blend, because we want this to be smooth like butter. Pretty. So now I'm gonna do the eyeliner, which I do off camera because I am not the best at that. And I'll do my lashes and then we'll continue on to the face. I'm gonna use the NYX primer, which I've been loving. This time I could fully put it on my whole face. If you guys saw the other video, you know what I'm talking about. You guys know that I'm definitely gonna put this baby on my face again, the CoverGirl, because it is just full coverage, just like we like it. I'm going to take the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I should know the name by now. Light Sand. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fix. This is the Banana Translucent Setting Powder. I'm excited to test it out. I actually have never used this before, so I'm going to use it now. I heard a lot of great things, and you know I love drugstore, so let's try this. I'm taking this fluffy Sonia Kashuk brush, and you know my Bronze Booster Physicians Formula in medium to dark. I'm gonna bronze this baby up. Oh, and now I'm going to be using some Too Faced gift set. I don't even know which this one is, but I'm going to use the blush in Mademoiselle. It's a really pretty pinky peach, and I'm using a Sonia Kashuk brush to apply this baby to the apples of my cheeks. Oh yeah, beautiful. I know my hair looks absolutely crazy. I will fix it for the video, you know? So we have our blush on. We're looking more alive. And I'm going to use my Makeup Forever in Anywhere Caffeine. And I'm going to use Honey Love from MAC. So I just love this combo because it is so neutral and beautiful. My go-to gloss, I love Buxom and White Russian. I just feel like it does me total justice. Pleasant smell. Ooh. And I'm actually gonna add some highlight today. So I'm gonna use a Dior highlight in Glowing Pink, and I love the packaging. It's so bougie, but this is a gorgeous highlight. And I'm gonna use a Sonia Kashuk kind of angle brush, and I'm just gonna put this on the tip of my nose. Ooh, yeah. And then a little bit over here. Oh my god, I love it. You know what, I might as well put some there. Maybe very lightly, nothing crazy. Looking good, good, good. I'm going to be using the Mario pencil, the brightening pencil in light number 1. Then I'm gonna go back to Toffee Apple and then smudge that on the bottom part. I know that with lashes this look would be complete, but I hope you guys like it.